Hey new teacher, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. You can come back to my channel every week for updates on what it's like to be a VIP Kid teacher and tips and tricks as you go through the application process. If you do not already have a hiring coach helping you through your application with VIPKID, I would be happy to help. Just enter this code into the referral section of your application portal found here. I will be notified. I will reach out to you so that we can talk about where you're at in the process and how to successfully get you through and hired to teach with VIPKID. Today we're going to learn about what you need to do before you start opening your schedule. After you've uploaded your profile picture and introductory paragraph, you want to go into your account center to make sure that your payment information is updated. If you do want to choose to go with a semi-monthly payment arrangement, make sure that is up to date. Just make sure that all of the information that VIPKID needs from you is in your account center. Next, you want to get involved with a community. Facebook has many groups. I will link below the groups that I enjoy interacting in. You can get involved with VIPKID's official community in what's called the Hutong, and we'll talk about that on another day, but it is another community that you can reach out to other teachers and even VIPKID for feedback about various different things. So those are some of the communities. You want to make sure that you have a lot of support because this position is a lot different than anything that you're used to, unless you were an online teacher before. And if you were an online teacher before, you're probably not watching this. Okay, and then you want to get your technology in order. You want to make sure you have good lighting, a strong internet connection. You can watch this video for some things to think about as you're setting up the technology in your classroom. Once you've thought about those things, then you can start opening your schedule. Think about opening peak times. These are the times where the most students are online wanting to take courses, so you're more likely to get a booking during these peak times. Otherwise, test some things out. Work in the morning, try opening your calendar in the evening. Think about opening short notice classes. These are classes that allow you to be booked up to an hour before class. That has the possibility of shortening your prep time down to an hour, but you can watch this video for how I prep for my classes and how I do it quickly. They do add an extra $2 to your paycheck. And who doesn't like extra money, right? And then if you've hit a wall and you're struggling with your bookings, for those who have used my referral code, I will help you. We can meet and talk about your profile. We can talk about the photos that you've used. We can talk about your intro video and look at different resources that you can use to improve it. We'll talk about the strategy of everything that went into my 43-second intro video. And then just like that, soon you're going to start getting your bookings and you'll be on your way, new teacher. So that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for regular updates on online teaching and how I'm approaching this world with VIPKID. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you next time. Goodbye.